This conference will now be recorded.
So sorry students, there is some due to technical problem, so system restart and also internet is also restarted. So confirm me that screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I was telling is to create an account in the Infinity free platform, so it takes little bit of time, so you need not to worry about this. It's completely free of cost. But in other than this, any platform if you search, then that asking for the money and all. So only for testing and understanding purpose, just I'm demonstrating this. So login. So create an account. After once if you get successful logged into your account ID, but something if you wanted to create with a new account and how it would come, so that I would conveying you. So go to create account, create now, then enter IT skills dot free dot in dot nf and check the availability. Again scroll down and select email consent, click I approve and select I am not robot. This has to take one green tick mark. The captcha has to work. So the final step, after the additional information, when you get the green tick, then you click final, create an account, then that account setup will get over. Open with another page. Login. So in this case, I'll be using the existing account. So I'll be taking techmentor.free.nf. So once when you open the account, you will get control panel. So click on the control panel from your account. So make ensure that website name. So techmentor.free.nf, but in real time you will get the real time domain like .com.org in place of that. It is a subdomains now. So click on this control panel. So before you install WordPress, make ensure your website must have a SSL, secure socket layer. So that certificate has to be installed. So to install that, there is an option called as SSL.TLS. So do right click on this area. So still is looping. And here you have default SSL is a self-signed certificate. So just you click on this for your website to get that HTTPS. Okay, and again free SSL certificate, then your website will work as a HTTPS website. Means Google will trust you. Otherwise Google will not allow you to open some of the pages. Okay, so look at this. That earlier I have taken this great site.net. It is expired earlier. So now again I've reapplied for the certificate. So Google is stating that, sorry, Infinity free website is stating that it is pending because I've requested for the certificate, self-signed certificate. It takes me a little bit of around 24 hours or 2 days, 48 hours. So it depends upon the number of hours. So that's verified your domain, and after that the status will be working, and your service provider like Google Trust workspace applications will trust your website. So in that way you can apply. So see that the pendings, what and all certificates which are going to be pending the list, and which are those issued from the site self-signed certificate to build a, okay, and which are those expired. Suppose if you don't have a certificate, if that expired, then you can go for a new SSL certificate into the website. Otherwise your website will be remains as HTTP website itself. Okay, your Google will not identify your secured or genuine website what you are hosting in this platform. So please remember, if you do not install this SSL certificate for your website, Google never trust. Then later on whatever advertisements you do, then that never comes to this particular website. Okay, clear, right? So this and all not applicable when you created a website in the Google site. So Google site itself, it is giving an option for creating a website like simple websites and all, but we are using from the third party or backend, so CMS platforms. So that's why it's asking so many queries. Okay, so once it is done, open control panel. So close this. When I'm going to close, it is all about SSL certificate. Now come to the main part, how we can install WordPress in this area. Already we have installed in this. So click on, so this whatever application you have installed in this platform, which will show you with the numbers wise. Okay, so which are the installation you have done. So click on the installations list and look at this. This is your HTTP, but here there is no HTTPS. Okay, if you wanted to have a HTTPS, then just I've claimed for certificate. It takes 24 hours or 48 hours. So in the future class I will show you so how it's going to be updated after that SSL certificate issued. Okay, but right now still my WordPress is working for HTTP and with your domain name. Okay, so now again you click on this manage your installation. This is the installations what I'm right now I'm having. Okay, so I might have a question, sir, how can I open this? So if you wanted to open, so use your credentials like this and put wp-admin, press enter key and asking username and password. So username I've given admin, and this time also I'm putting admin itself. So from here onwards you can start installation of your means editing your WordPress web pages. You can build your website however you want. So before that, see that what is the appearance, what is the themes you have, what is the pages you have, what are all options you have in the left hand side in the navigations dashboard area. So first I will try to take the themes now. So first you click on this appearance and select the themes whichever you will be liking. And right now which is going to be displaying only the three, the default one. But if you are looking for the new themes, so click add a new themes. So this is the one presently which is activated now. But if you don't like that, and better you go for Astro theme, or according to your business what is going to be demanding, according to that you create and provide the services. Okay, so I'll be taking Astra itself, so click on Astra and install. So once it is installed, then click activate now. Click customize. Customize is to edit and see the different types of control view controls. So Google is saying that it's not secured. Please remember here techmentor.free.nf. So your website, your domain name, Google is not trusting. So because of that reason, so we have to install SSL. Okay, next what I will do is just I'm copying this domain name and just you press enter key and have a look once. So right now you are in admin login, so that's why it's showing like this. Now again come back to themes. So themes is over. I'll be taking the tools, plugins tools. So click add a new tools. So in your add new plugin, search for a new plugin like Elementor things to edit our content. There will be a tool called as Elementor. So search for the Elementor. But if already downloaded, no problem. If not downloaded, search for Elementor and press enter key. and you will get lot of add-ons. And look at this, how many peoples have installed. So 6,861, this is the statistics, and here you have 2,000 values, 400 values, so 3,500. So this is the best one as of now, so I'll be clicking for install now. Then click again activate. Okay, there will be you will be getting only the basics Elementor options, but if when you pay and when you get the license, you will get the Pro Elementor contents to build the perfect design for your website. Okay, so right now the two things are there. What is that? Elementor, and if you don't like that Hello Dolly something and all, if you wanted to delete this, just you select and delete this and say OK. So that was the default one. Even if you don't want this spam protections and all, so select and delete it. Okay, so right now this is not activated. If you click the button activate button, then this particular theme, or sorry, particular plugin which will start working on your website. Okay, again you come back for the Astra and go to the dashboard area and have a look once. So this is the details of the plugin, what you can get. Okay, suppose sir, I don't want to spend a lot of time, I wanted to have a templates, so better you go for templates, and in the templates, so search for add new templates. So if you have a templates, then easily you can modify the things, but right now I don't have any templates here. So start customizing and make ensure how many pages you have. So like home page, then about us page. Clear, right? So I wanted to create multiple pages for the website. So what you have to do is, so you come back and go to pages here. So still I am in customized page itself. So come back. Yes, come back. Go to pages, add pages. When you are adding new pages, asking for the name and see the list. Just I'm giving you that overview of this area. Just making you to understand what is the differences between Google site and WordPress. So start with, oh, it is coming. So look at this. These are the sample pages we have. Okay, if you wanted to create additional one more page, so click on this add new page. So enter the name as you like, but do not publish immediately. So I wanted to edit with Elementor. So start writing from here onwards. So here you have some layout and text how you had a in the Google site. So according to that, just you click and drag and finally publish it. Okay, so saying that, so right now I wanted to create some container here. Okay, so just you click and drag. So there is an option called as drag. So click and select what type of box you would like to have. Suppose if you do not like, just you place this. So now I wanted to drop, so just you click and drag after adding this and select the structure how you wanted to place. So inside this, so select what you would like to place an image. So select this entire block. So select whichever you would like to add a content in the background. So in the background area, place an image itself or slideshow, whichever you like. So I'm going to take a container here. So in this container, boxed and full width, then scroll down. So nothing is there. Go to the advanced mode. But these are all pro actions. I mean, so pro account features. So take this option and add the normal image. Select the browse button and whichever we have created here, where I've created. So I'll be taking the first one. So once it is inserted, select this and apply. Okay, and again is asking optimize your images and asking for the install one more plugin. So right now we don't want. So this completely a background area. Then close this. Is it okay? And if you don't want any other container, just you delete it. Okay, now sir, I wanted to have an image. Then what you have to do, just you select and place it in the drag and drop. Could you able to see? And upload that image. What are you liking for? So just like this. Okay, just you click publish now. Could you able to see this? And here you have like a logo of this company, and you can add some more stuff. Okay, so here change the name what you would like to have, because its name itself is my blog, so that you have to rechange. It's not telling me to modify. So we have to go for header section, so that we will see later. Okay, now you again you come scroll down and add a text like repair services. Okay, then this is our text. You can change that into heading tag. So yesterday you have seen HTML tags and all, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and come to style CSS part. Set this in the center alignment, and you can change the font colors also, whichever color you like. And typography, so select the font from the font list, and also you can increase the size and also decrease the size. So for time being, I'm going to take up to 20. Okay, so let it be remaining as it is. So blend mode, okay, let it be the normal one. Okay, and still if you're not satisfied the text size, increase like this. So this is done. Okay, clear, right? Again add some more content, add the element. So now if you are looking for image, one more image in the same box, so just you click and drag, upload. There's a first block what I would like to take, add it, click select. Is it okay? Then bring this to left hand side. Again add one more element, text I wanted to place, so just click and drag in the bottom. Again so just So type text like laptop or CCTV repair and set this in the center. How do you do? Go to the style part, set that into center, and again add one more element here. Select this block, leave, and even so same thing, you copy this for one more container. Okay, so for preview I will check. Look at once. Is it clear? And again come back. But when you upgrade for a professional one, and you will get lot of other tools also. Okay, in the middle, if you wanted to create one call to action button. Okay, now I wanted to add a text, so you can have a text in this area. Say, so just this is a complete one block like this. Say the container and Elementor, how you have here. Mm, now if I wanted to create image carousel, so I don't want to be in the part, so take here itself. So go to this part, scroll down, take image carousel and add multiple images, upload. This was image slider, open. So once it is loaded, then create a new gallery, then insert new gallery. So, and you can give the caption for that. So what is the size you want, image resolution, you take that full. So I wanted to have one image, then image is to stress, yes, I want it to be like this, and set up how you wanted to navigate, like to be narrow wise, arrow wise like this. If everything is okay, then if you are liking, then if you don't like the first one, so you remove it off this. I made a small mistake, I deleted that. Go to this image carousel, select image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert, take this, take that into full screen. Only one, yes, arrow wise, enough. Now if I click the publish button, so refresh your page, so you can see like this. So this is the three dots you have, like dot 1, dot 2, dot 3, and in the right hand side you can move. Could you able to see? When you go for the pro version, then automatically it works, but still you can get some of the effect. So here in the position and color, if you like, you can see inside or outside, advanced mode. If I take, there is an option here itself. So scroll down. So automatically it's moving. So defaultly it has taken some of the time setup. This is moving. So like this, you create each one of this content area and also pages. Is that okay? Again, come back to here. How do you get again admin page slash wp hyphen admin, press enter key and see the changes now here. So number of pages, in the pages, could you able to see what is that first one? Here we have a sample page. This is the number of pages we have. So if you wanted to rename this, so just very simple, click uh, edit. When you click for edit, it's not going to be Elementor. So it's a sample page, what you can see. So again come back. So here itself, if I wanted to edit, so select and click this, sorry, अरे यार. So when we work with the free tools and all, so you have to say face some little bit of problem here. So change this name into home page and click update. Is it okay? But here there is no option for duplicate the page. Suppose if I wanted to duplicate the same page, then what you have to do? So go to tools, add new plugins. So here you take duplicate page. This additional tool. So you can duplicate the post, duplicate the page. So install and activate. So now it started. Again you come back to home, and could you see this? Duplicate this. Now if I duplicate and asking for the new name, so now this is duplicated, it's a draft. Could you see this? Draft. Now again rename this. Okay, so the name is what I can say, contact us. So click update. Now is it okay? Then home page is over, then contact us is over. Again duplicate one more time and take this quick, sorry, so select this, quick edit, contact us, you write about us, click update. So now you move whichever is first, whichever is last, rearrange it. Okay. So how many things you have published? Only two things you have published. If everything is okay or everything is satisfied, then finally you take call for publishing the content. Go to all pages, what you can see from this area. So click dashboard, home, again all pages. So if you wanted to edit, contact us. Okay, you try to install one more plugins, add a new plugin. So contact form, press enter key. So this is our contact form, install it. And activate this plugin. So contact form plugins is activated. Again you come back to themes, menus. So this is the primary menu what I would like to have. So it's already created. And if you want, okay, right now we wanted to have a primary menu and name this as primary itself, created. So now go to the page area. So the primary one is primary itself, and save the changes. So click edit now. Type /wp admin, enter. So contact form you have installed. So open that contact form, and this is the short code. Okay, if you wanted to bring this short contact form into your web page, so you have to copy this and paste into your web page. Scroll down, add one more block of page. So this is the problem when you did not install the HTTPS your socket layer SSL. So saying that safe mode on. So disable safe mode something and all. So Google is not trusting. So that we are getting error message. So just I'm guiding you how you can work. So if possible, you can make use of this platform. So but real time, most of the people will use this type of WordPress content itself. So now I'm going to take the block. Okay, so what I will do is I'll be taking the text. So in this block, so whatever the contact form, whatever I've taken, so just I've pasted the code. So I'm clicking publish now. Have a look once. If you scroll down, can you able to see this contact form? So add your name, like what I can say, Raj, Raj at the rate gmail.com. Subject looking for course, digital marketing course. So please send me the details, something like this. And if you click submit button, have a look once. So there is some error. You have to send a message. So try later. Okay. So it is still is in under constructions. So once it is published as per the criteria, then once you'll get a message from this area. Is it okay? Again, take from the real time. So move up, make this duplicate again. If you want, right click and duplicate it. So in this case, I don't want text. So delete this. So in place of text, I'll be replacing some image. Take the image, upload, take contact us something. Where is that? Okay, about us only I'll be taking. So click about us and move up. So right click and delete. That's get deleted. Move up and leave it. Now you select the image. I wanted to have a full width. I don't want any caption here. Don't want to link any URL also. And let it be in the center. Then opacity, okay, let it be. If everything is that okay, then put publish. And you can see how it's look like in your mobile, in your tablet. This is going to be in your mobile phone, okay, and this from the desktop area. So view the page. So when you scroll down, you'll be getting like this. Is that clear? Any doubts? So this is the code. So still is not integrated to your mail or something and all. That you have to configure later when you get the professional one. Okay. So now the thing is, 1 minute. Close all files. So now if I come out from this area, so I logged out. Take your website domain name. So simply you type your domain name and press enter key. So in the home page I have not done anything. Okay, but there's a home page actually, but it's not created any content, uh, images. Okay, the elements what is required for the first page I have not done, and even I have not linked also. Clear? So then if I wanted to edit, then how you can do? So put slash, sorry, wp hyphen admin and enter username and password. So people will ask you, sir, I don't like this, the theme, or the project manager will be putting reminder, so I don't want that particular theme. You delete and add one more new theme. Then what will you do? So go to the appearance, select the theme. Okay, right now this is activated, but still if you are looking for a new theme, add a new theme here. So select, click install, and before that have a preview also. So might be asking, sir, here this side image is showing, but why image is not displaying here? Because it's only the preview. So you have to build, or when you pay for that, then you'll be getting that entire image. Templates also you will be getting. So website templates also you'll be getting. So this is the templates area. Could you see any updates here? Now after editing those things, do log out and you simply type domain name. When Google once trusted along with HTTPS, then you can work faster. And could you see this, the changes of this? So as per the themes, as per changed, then you'll get other options also. So continue to read, and you can go for the post or some other things. Is that clear? And this is a home button. That was category button. Suppose if I wanted to edit the page itself, then what you have to do again, admin and admin. So in this class, I've given just overview. Okay. So overview of WordPress, then how to install plugins, how to install themes. Can name this as appearance, then how to edit with Elementor, then how to construct web page elements, then how to publish, then how to get preview, then how to get admin page, then how to copy and paste contact form from one page to another page. Okay, so just I've given you only the introduction part of WordPress. Okay, if you are really liking this WordPress platform, so better you go for WordPress itself other than your Google site. So ask me if you have any doubts. If that understood, you type as yes in your chat box area. So people will ask you like when you have installed SSL and TSL, sir, when it will be issuing and publishing certificate for our website. Okay, so you wanted to see in your account itself. So this is my account details. Go to the home. So open one of this TechMentor free.nif and open the control panel. So in the control panel, you have SSL and TSL. So close this. And when you click for the configure, so system will show you what is exactly the status. Could you able to see this? I applied for SSL. So state as so you keep on check every day. Might be according to me, it takes maximum 24 hours or 48 hours. So in 48 hours, your domain will get HTTPS or SSL. So once if you get, then it works faster. So that's won't lagging your page and internet connect, and also Google will trust whenever you start creating some new add on new things and all in the pages, then it's working much faster. And you try to create at least 3 pages after installation of SSL or before installation of SSL according to your internet speed. Okay, and later on you send me this domain name, so that domain name is enough for me. Okay, like techmentor.free.nf. So now if I take this, so I'll be sharing. Okay, I will share that particular link in the WhatsApp. And always try to remember, suppose if you forgotten the password, admin password, then how do you reset that? So what you do is come to WordPress installation where you have done. So you'll be getting the page like this. And whatever installation you have done, so open that, and there is an option called as W. So click on this W, whatever you have done. Oh, login credential. Then click installation, what you have done. Again WordPress. So here you have a manage users. So click on manage users, select the user what you have created at the time of installation, and set the password, for example admin itself or 123, then you click save. So still if you are looking for one more admin, so set the role. So role is administrator. Okay, so username, I'm going to take mm, my name itself, so Sean. Then mail ID, then password 123, then name Sean. Sean. So click add user account. So saying that email ID is already available, so you have to change. So click add account. So now what happened? So your role is added here. Sir, then how do I enter? So take your website name, put WB admin. So in this case, oh, so still I'm in admin login only. Log out from this admin. Arey yaar. Okay, so I created a username Sean and a password. I guess it is 123. I have forgotten. Ah, yes. So now it's working. Is that understood how to create users and how to update the password? But have you seen how many roles are there for creating user account? Anybody noticed? Say with number 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't want any names. So tell me the numbers. Is it there? So when you click here, so sorry for the interruptions. So what you do is just you click on the installation. So go to WordPress. When you click for manage users, look at this number of roles. So how many roles are there? There are 5 roles. First one is administrator, second one is editor, then author, contributor and subscriber. Okay, so I selected the first one, and he will have complete full privileges of your domain, and is going to be verify and also going to be working for all user account. Is that okay? So there are 5 user account roles. Clear? So but it requires a lot of time for you to practice. Create your own domain and create minimum 3 pages, add contents, insert plugins, themes, then add pages, and finally publish, and share me your domain name. Share your domain name. So I ask me if you have any doubts. Next class we will take a new concept. So I have given two platform for you to create a web page or website, sorry. So one is Google site and one is WordPress. So whichever you like, so you select the platform and you create and make ensure that link to be used. So links is required for each one of this platform. So people will like WordPress also, people will like Google site also. So you select whichever you like, whichever you feel comfort, and you maintain the same link, and we will further we will work for ads on. So these are the first requirements whatever we have done. Clear? So meet you up in the next class. So see you all, take care, good night.